Do you want to achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams? If so, you need to learn how to make money while you sleep. This is the key to building wealth and escaping the rat race. In this video, we will explore the importance of generating income while sleeping and how one of the richest men in the world, Warren Buffett, does it. Making money while sleeping means earning income without having to work for it actively. It means creating assets that generate value and cash flow over time without requiring your constant attention or effort. This is the opposite of trading your time for money, which is what most people do when they work a regular job. Why is making money while sleeping so important? Because it allows you to free up your time and energy for other things that matter to you, such as pursuing your passions, hobbies, learning new skills, traveling, or spending time with your loved ones. It also gives you more security and peace of mind, knowing that you have multiple sources of income that can sustain you in any situation. One of the most successful investors and businessmen of all time, Warren Buffett, understands the power of making money while sleeping. He has built a massive fortune by investing in companies and assets that produce income and grow in value over time. He follows a simple but effective investing philosophy that anyone can learn from. Warren Buffett's quote, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." This quote by Warren Buffett sums up his approach to investing and wealth creation. He believes that making money while sleeping is the only way to achieve financial independence and avoid working until you die. He also warns that if you don't find ways to make money while sleeping, you will be stuck in a cycle of working hard for money, spending it, and then working hard again to earn more. What does making money while sleeping mean for Warren Buffett? It means investing in assets that increase in value over time, pay dividends, generate cash flow from businesses, and earn royalties through licensing. Let's take a closer look at each of these ways. Ways Warren Buffett makes money while sleeping. Assets increasing in value. One of the main ways Warren Buffett makes money while sleeping is by investing in assets that appreciate in value over time. These are assets that have intrinsic value and competitive advantage, such as stocks, real estate, gold, or art. They tend to increase in value as the demand for them grows or as they become scarce. Warren Buffett follows a simple investment strategy. He buys undervalued assets that have strong fundamentals and holds them for a long time. He does not chase short-term trends or speculate on risky ventures. He focuses on quality over quantity and looks for businesses that have durable competitive advantages, such as strong brands, loyal customers, high barriers to entry, or low costs. One of the most famous examples of Warren Buffett's investment strategy is his company Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway is a holding company that owns stakes in various businesses across different industries. Some of the most well-known companies that Berkshire Hathaway owns or partially owns are Apple, Coca-Cola, Bank of America, American Express, and Kraft Heinz. Berkshire Hathaway's stock price has increased from $19 per share in 1965 to over $400,000 per share in 2021. That's an astonishing return of over 2,000,000%. Warren Buffett has made billions of dollars by investing in Berkshire Hathaway and its subsidiaries over the years. Dividends. Another way Warren Buffett makes money while sleeping is by receiving dividends from his investments. Dividends are payments that companies make to their shareholders as a way of distributing their profits. Dividends are usually paid quarterly or annually and can vary depending on the company's performance and policies. Dividends are a great source of passive income because they provide regular cash flow without requiring any work or effort from the investor. They also allow the investor to reinvest the dividends into more shares or other assets, creating a compounding effect that increases their wealth over time. Warren Buffett loves dividends and prefers to invest in companies that pay them consistently and generously. Many of the companies that Berkshire Hathaway owns or partially owns are dividend-paying stocks. For example, Apple paid $14 billion in dividends in 2020. Coca-Cola paid $6.8 billion. Bank of America paid $6 billion. American Express paid $1.7 billion. And Kraft Heinz paid $2 billion. Warren Buffett receives a huge amount of dividends from his investments every year. In 2020, he received $3.8 billion in dividends from Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. That's more than $10 million per day, or $7,000 per minute. Cash flow from businesses. A third way Warren Buffett makes money while sleeping is by generating cash flow from the businesses he owns or invests in. Cash flow is the amount of money that a business earns after deducting its expenses. Cash flow is important because it indicates the profitability and financial health of a business. It also allows the business to reinvest in its growth, pay off its debts, or reward its shareholders. Warren Buffett likes to invest in or own businesses that have strong cash flow and low capital expenditures. These are businesses that have high margins, low costs, and stable demand. They are able to generate a lot of cash without requiring a lot of investment or maintenance. One of the ways Warren Buffett owns businesses is through Berkshire Hathaway's corporate conglomerate. Berkshire Hathaway owns or controls over 60 different businesses across various sectors, such as insurance, energy, transportation, retail, manufacturing, and media. Some of the most notable businesses that Berkshire Hathaway fully owns are Geico, BNSF Railway, Dairy Queen, Duracell, and the Buffalo News. Berkshire Hathaway's corporate conglomerate generates a huge amount of cash flow every year. In 2020, it generated $42.5 billion in operating cash flow. That's more than $116 million per day, or $80,000 per minute. Royalties his businesses earn through licensing. A fourth way Warren Buffett makes money while sleeping is by earning royalties from his businesses through licensing. Royalties are payments that a business receives for allowing another party to use its intellectual property, such as its name, logo, trademark, patent, or design. Royalties are usually calculated as a percentage of the sales or profits generated by the licensed product or service. Royalties are another form of passive income because they provide recurring revenue without requiring any work or effort from the business owner. They also allow the business owner to leverage their brand recognition and reputation to create value and reach new markets. Warren Buffett earns royalties from his businesses through licensing in two ways, directly and indirectly. He earns royalties directly from some of the businesses that Berkshire Hathaway fully owns, such as Dairy Queen and Duracell. He also earns royalties indirectly from some of the businesses that Berkshire Hathaway partially owns, such as Coca-Cola and Kraft Heinz. For example, Dairy Queen licenses its name and logo to over 6,000 franchisees around the world. Duracell licenses its technology and trademark to various manufacturers and distributors. Coca-Cola licenses its brand and formula to over 200 bottling partners globally. Kraft Heinz licenses its products and labels to other food companies and retailers. Warren Buffett receives a significant amount of royalties from his businesses through licensing every year. Although the exact amount is not disclosed publicly, it is estimated that he earns hundreds of millions of dollars in royalties annually. Passive income. As you can see, Warren Buffett makes money while sleeping in various ways. All of these ways have one thing in common. They are forms of passive income. Passive income is income that you earn without having to work for it actively. It is income that you receive automatically and regularly, regardless of your time or effort. Passive income is different from active income. Active income is income that you earn by working for it actively. It is income that you receive only when you perform a specific task or service, such as working a job, selling a product, or providing a consultation. Active income depends on your time and effort. Why is passive income better than active income? Because passive income allows you to achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams. With passive income, you can earn more money with less work, have multiple streams of income, have more time and flexibility, have more security and stability, have more control and autonomy, have more satisfaction and fulfillment. Types of passive income. How can you make money while sleeping like Warren Buffett? You can do it by creating or acquiring assets that generate passive income for you. There are many types of passive income that you can pursue, depending on your skills, interests, goals, and resources. Here are some examples. Rental income. One type of passive income that you can earn is rental income. Rental income is income that you receive from renting out your property or space to tenants or guests. Rental income can come from various sources, such as residential properties, houses, apartments, commercial properties, offices, shops, vacation properties, hotels, resorts, or storage properties, garages, warehouses. Rental income is a great way to make money while sleeping because it provides steady and predictable income without requiring much work or maintenance from you. You can also benefit from capital appreciation, tax deductions, and leverage. However, rental income also has some challenges and risks. You need to have enough capital to buy or build a property, or take on a mortgage. You also need to deal with tenants, vacancies, repairs, regulations, and market fluctuations. If you want to earn rental income, you need to follow Warren Buffett's advice. Understand what you are investing in and do your homework. You need to research the location, demand, supply, price, and profitability of your property. You also need to manage your cash flow, expenses, and taxes. And you need to treat your tenants well and provide value for them. Intellectual property income. Another type of passive income that you can earn is intellectual property income. Intellectual property income is income that you receive from creating and licensing your intellectual property to others. Intellectual property is anything that you create with your mind, such as your ideas, inventions, designs, artworks, or writings. Intellectual property income can come from various sources, such as patents, trademarks, copyrights, or trade secrets. Intellectual property income can be earned through royalties, fees, or commissions. Intellectual property income is a great way to make money while sleeping because it allows you to leverage your creativity and expertise to create value and reach new markets. You can also benefit from protection, recognition, and reputation. However, intellectual property income also has some challenges and risks. You need to have the skills, knowledge, and resources to create something original and valuable. You also need to protect your intellectual property from infringement, theft, or imitation. And you need to market your intellectual property effectively and negotiate favorable terms with your licensees. If you want to earn intellectual property income, you need to follow Warren Buffett's advice. Invest in yourself and your skills. You need to develop your talents and abilities and keep learning new things. You also need to find your niche and solve a problem or fill a gap in the market. And you need to create something that is unique and high quality. Book royalties. A third type of passive income that you can earn is book royalties. Book royalties are income that you receive from selling your books to readers. Book royalties can come from various sources, such as physical books, hardcover, paperback, digital books, ebooks, audiobooks, or print-on-demand books, POD. Book royalties are a great way to make money while sleeping because they allow you to share your knowledge and passion with the world. You can also benefit from exposure, credibility, and authority. However, book royalties also have some challenges and risks. You need to have the writing skills, research skills, and editing skills to write a good book. You also need to deal with publishing options, distribution channels, marketing strategies, and competition. And you need to cope with feedback, reviews, and criticism. If you want to earn book royalties, you need to follow Warren Buffett's advice. Focus on quality over quantity and effective marketing. You need to write a book that is informative and engaging, and that provides value and solutions for your readers. You also need to market your book effectively and reach your target audience. And you need to build a loyal fan base and interact with your readers. Ecourse Revenue. A fourth type of passive income that you can earn is Ecourse Revenue. Ecourse Revenue is income that you receive from creating and selling online courses to learners. Ecourse Revenue can come from various sources, such as platforms Udemy, Skillshare, websites Teachable, Thinkific, or memberships Patreon, Substack. Ecourse Revenue is a great way to make money while sleeping because it allows you to teach your skills and knowledge to others. You can also benefit from scalability, flexibility, and feedback. However, Ecourse Revenue also has some challenges and risks. You need to have the teaching skills, presentation skills, and technical skills to create a good online course. You also need to deal with curriculum design, content creation, quality assurance, and student support. And you need to compete with other online courses and instructors. If you want to earn Ecourse Revenue, you need to follow Warren Buffett's advice. Leverage your knowledge and expertise and create value for your learners. You need to identify your niche and target market and solve a problem or fill a need for them. You also need to create an online course that is clear, concise, and comprehensive. And you need to promote your online course effectively and engage with your learners. Advertising income. A fifth type of passive income that you can earn is advertising income. Advertising income is income that you receive from displaying ads on your online platforms or content. Advertising income can come from various sources, such as websites Google AdSense, blogs WordPress, podcasts Anchor, videos YouTube, or social media Facebook, Instagram. Advertising income is a great way to make money while sleeping because it allows you to monetize your online presence and audience. You can also benefit from exposure, traffic, and analytics. However, advertising income also has some challenges and risks. You need to have the content creation skills, marketing skills, and SEO skills to attract and retain visitors or followers. You also need to deal with ad networks, ad formats, ad rates, and ad policies. And you need to balance the quality and quantity of your content and ads. If you want to earn advertising income, You need to follow Warren Buffett's advice. Focus on online marketing and engaging content. You need to create an online platform or content that is relevant, useful, and entertaining for your audience. You also need to market your online platform or content effectively and reach your potential customers. And you need to optimize your online platform or content for ads and conversions. Key takeaways. As you can see, there are many ways to make money while sleeping like Warren Buffett. The key is to seek passive income opportunities that suit your skills, interests, goals, and resources. Here are some key takeaways that you can learn from Warren Buffett. Seek passive income opportunities that provide long-term gains, dividends, cash flow, or royalties. Invest in assets that increase in value over time and have strong fundamentals and competitive advantages. Invest in yourself and your skills and create value for others. Focus on quality over quantity in content creation and marketing. Understand what you're investing in and do your homework. You have just learned how to make money while sleeping like Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world. You have discovered the importance of passive income, the ways Warren Buffett turns it, and the types of passive income that you can pursue. You have also learned some key takeaways from Warren Buffett's investing philosophy and principles. Now it's time for you to take action and start finding ways to make money while you sleep. Whether you choose to invest in assets, create intellectual property, write books, teach online courses, or display ads, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams. But before you go, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and the like button below. This will help me grow my channel and reach more people like you who want to learn how to make money while sleeping. And don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think of this video and what other topics you want me to cover in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.